Hey curly friends, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, I'm Ayomide, your curly friend guide to all things natural hair care. So in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how I pre-poo using flaxseed gel, why it works and why I never skip this step anymore. So if you want stronger, softer and more manageable hair, just keep watching. So what is pre-poo? Pre-poo is a short for pre-shampoo, and it means applying a treatment to your hair before you shampoo. You actually need to pre-poo because shampoo can be really drying, especially on natural hair. So pre-pooing creates like a protective layer that actually minimizes moisture loss, prevents breakage, makes the tangling 10 times easier. Simply think of it as prepping your hair before you strip it clean. Your strands need that head start. So why flaxseed gel? Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, and it has a natural sleep that your hair will love. Here is what flaxseed gel does for your hair. It promotes stronger roots and healthier growth. It provides good sleep for detangling. It adds shine and hydration. It is soothing to the scalp and it's 100% natural. It's affordable and you can easily make it right in your kitchen. So let's get into the routine. So first step is to start by sectioning your hair and then spray it lightly with water. Step 2 is to take a generous amount of flaxseed gel and apply it from your roots to the tips. Focus especially on your ends. They are like the oldest part of your hair and they need the most love. So you detangle gently with your fingers or a white tooth comb. You already feel the sleep. Although I didn't detangle with a white tooth comb, I just went in straight with my detangling brush after detangling with my finger. The next step is to twist or braid that section to keep it stretched, and then you move on. Once your whole head is done, cover with a plastic cap and leave it for about 30 minutes or longer. That's if your hair is super dry. Then you rinse out and proceed with your usual wash day. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this before or if you're going to give it a trial. And if you want to learn how to make your own flaxseed gel, I have a full video for that too. I'll link it below. Thanks for watching. Bye.